you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. What's going on, man? You guys coming there? Yeah, I think I seen it online. What's going on, man? Yeah, I'm gonna come around there and see you. Yeah. I ain't think you were gonna have it out here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I be seeing you online.
You leave it open if you want when you get in.
Okay. Yes, sir. Man, let me know you running here, man.
Right now we got 415s, 3015Rs, Decibel on 2 smart Big Boss 18s.
I know it's already. I already know when I see it.
Yeah, had to do it, man.
How you gonna keep this? How you gonna keep that sunroof right there?
To answer your questions, I really don't know.
Yeah, see, it's hard to keep the truck looking good.
Yeah. Let's see. See what we got in here. I was just messing with it right now. Let me get adjusted to it.
Oh yeah, I know you fairly new in here.
Let's play one of my favorites.
My weapon of choice is the top. I have to the nipple. Sales trick. Chips.
That thing hit, man. Not that bad, right? Man, that thing looking good too. Let them know where they can find you, bro.
Living with Flats on all platforms. That's where I'm at.
Yes, you got YouTube too, don't you?
Yes, sir.
I think I'm subscribed, so y'all be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna try to tag them down below, man. It was good seeing you, bro.
Appreciate it, brother. Likewise.
Can I get the video in the back right here? Okay. Stock up on top of it, like ain't no dead or anything like that in there.
Nothing. All stock.
I was trying to find out how to put the wood up under there and then put the headliner back. I don't know how to do it though. Now if Jerry figured it out now.
Yeah.
We might be in business.
Alright, let's see.
Re-close the doors and let's see what it sounds like.
This song actually sounds
Hey, good seeing you, bro. Hey, what's the next show you going to?
Honestly, it's kind of hard to say because
I ain't really seen many, but
yeah.
we'll probably see each other here before we go see anywhere else.
Yeah, true. Because the only ones that I've really been seeing is the 421 in somewhere like close to Nashville, so maybe like 4 hours away or some shit.
Yeah, it's a good
I was
ride.
thinking about that one. I'm thinking like trying not to do nowhere more than like 3-4 hours.
Yeah. I would say that's probably one we'd probably see.
Yeah.
But we'll be back here for long. So.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good to see you, man.
Appreciate it, brother.
Yeah, for sure, man. We'll keep in touch.
Hell yeah.
Yes, sir.
You got the right equipment, ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.